तो दोस्तों आज हम आए अपने न्यू वीडियो के साथ जो कि है चैप्टर 2 सोशलिज्म इन यूरोप एंड द रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन। तो इसका देखते हैं। पहला है आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन 1 or 2 sentences. First, communism, the political system in which the state owns and controls all factories, farms, services, etc. to treat everyone equally. And then second question, autocracy, a system of government of a country in which one person has complete power. उसके बाद तीसरा सोवियत यूनियन, द सोवियत यूनियन ऑफिशियली द यूनियन ऑफ सोवियत सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिक्स USSR was a federal socialist state in northern Eurasia. Fourth question, nomadism, lifestyle of those who do not live in one place but move from area to earn their living. फिर उसके बाद फिफ्थ है suffragette. A suffragette refers to a woman who advocates for women's right to vote. This term especially applies to women in late 19th and 20th century. इसके बाद टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, उसमें पहला है which among the following groups was against any kind of political and social change. इसका आंसर है conservatives. उसके बाद दूसरा according to their view held by the people of Europe regarding social change they came all of these who considered in Italy to bring about revolution. Giuseppe Mazzini. Fourth question, the people who wanted to put an immediate end of the existing government in Europe 1855 was called revolutionaries. And then fifth question, when was the Socialist Revolutionary Party formed in Russia? 1900. Who was the Indian reformer who taught the significance of French Revolution? Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Tipu Sultan. Name the people who were against private property. Socialists were against private property. Who was the ruler of Russia in 1917? Tsar Nicholas II was the ruler of Russia in 1917. And then fourth question, when was the Socialist Revolutionary Party formed in Russia? In 1905. Socialist Revolutionary Party formed in Russia. And then sixth question, when did Russian Tsar Nicholas II resign? March 15, 1917. And sixth question, who was the leader of Bolshevik Party of Russia? Vladimir Ilyich Ulyanov was the leader of Bolshevik Party of Russia. When was the Communist Party formed in India? 25 December 1925. In March 1898 the Bolshevik made the which country? Russia. उसके बाद answer in brief. Why do we say that the liberals during this time called not be called Democrats? Because they felt women of all property mainly should have the right to vote. They also did not want the vote for women. All these things are not a part of democracy. Second question, why were the socialists against private property and so is it as the root of all socialists? Socialists against private property and so it also is the root of social ills as they considered the entire society as one and improved the issues related to the interest of the society. And then third question, what effect did the war on the industry of Russia? The First World War badly hit the Russian industries were few in number and the country was cut off from the supplies of the industrial goods by German controls of the Baltic Sea. Fourth question, what was the role of the Tsar in the peasant revolution 1905? Did the revolt fail? Discuss briefly. The Tsar in the peasant revolt of 1905 representing Russia and the Russia government has started to raise tax money to peasants for rise in their regime, but after some time the regime completely failed to replace the autocracy and the democratic assembly. And then fifth, answer the following in detail. Question, how did the Bolshevik Party contribute to the Russian Revolution in 1917? Bolshevik-led arms insurrection by the worker soldiers in Petrograd successfully overthrew the provincial government, transferring all its authority to the service, thus soon relocated the national capital to Moscow. And then Bolshevik Party contribute to the Russian Revolution. And second question is, what is the October Revolution different from the February Revolution? What is result? तो इसका आंसर है, the February was really just a bread riot that spread failed out of control. The October Revolution was very different affair. Lenin has learned from the 1905 and the February Revolution. He planned to take over in Great Britain. October Revolution was Socialist Revolution. And then third question, what is Communist International? Explain its working in 60 words. The Communist International, known as the Third International, was the organization that advocated world communism. The international intended to fight. Its goal is to set up a vision of society where the factories and farms are shared by the people and would have rules or money. And then the Philips. अगर फ्रेंड्स आपको ये क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा तो अपने वीडियो की क्वालिटी मतलब यूट्यूब की क्वालिटी में जाके 480 कर सकते हैं, तो वहाँ से आपको क्लियर दिख जाएगा. आफ्टर 1970 लैंड हैज़ बीन गिवन टू जमींदार. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, वन ऑफ द ग्रोथ लिंक टू सोसाइटी कम्युनिस्ट, इसका फोर्थ का प्रॉपर्टी, फिफ्थ का चिल्ड्रन. And then formation of Russian Democratic Workers' Party in 1898. And the second, the Bloody Sunday, was in 1905. Bolshevik uprised the patriot in 1917. Formation of Comintern, fourth 1919. Beginning of collectivization, fifth is 1929. And then the picture question. The painting is telling. वैसे तो NCERT का ही क्वेश्चन है, NCERT की बुक में आपको मिल सकता है. अगर मैं आपको पेज दिखाना चाहूँ तो रुको दिखा देता हूँ. ये देखिए यहाँ पे है, ये है पेज नंबर 29 चैप्टर 2 की हिस्ट्री के बुक में. यही बिल्कुल डिट्टो पिक्चर है. आप इसके नीचे जो ये इसकी मीन्स पेंटिंग जिस पिक्चर की जो एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखी है उससे आप पढ़ के यहाँ भर सकते हैं. मैंने फिर भी भर दिया तो आप देख सकते हैं. व्हाट डज द पेंटिंग टेल. एंड देन सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज वेयर इट इज फ्रॉम. यहाँ पे आपको दिख नहीं रहा क्योंकि बुक की थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. व्हाट डज दिस सीन्स टेल अस. आप देख सकते हैं. उसके बाद मैप है. मैप में लिखा है कि सेंट्रल पेपर, अलाइड पेपर, न्यूट्रल स्टेट. एंड देन फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन जो मैंने कलर कर रखा आप उससे देख सकते हैं. मैं जूम कर देता हूँ ताकि आपको क्लियर दिख रहा है साफ. आप देख सकते हैं येलो कलर वाला सेंट्रल, ग्रीन कलर वाला लाइट पावर एंड ऑरेंज कलर वाला न्यूट्रल स्टेट. एंड फोर्थ न्यूट्रल स्टेट दैट डू नॉट जॉइन सेंट्रल पावर लेटर ऑन. फिफ्थ वाला जो आपको रेड कलर में दिख रहा है वो न्यूट्रल स्टेट दैट जॉइन सेंट्रल लाइट पावर लेटर ऑन. तो दोस्तों चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.